Ay, Maroon Bell. 8 o'clock in the morning. How beautiful. We're still here. This is August 24th, 2011. That's my photographer. Ay. Okay, again, this is in Maroon Bell, Aspen. Nice, don't you think? I love this view. Alright, I think it's enough. I share enough with you. Hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.